You have probably walked past thousands of dollars in free airport services and paid full price for the thing sitting 10 feet from the free version. By the end of this list, number 1 is worth more than the other 9 combined. The airline is on the hook for it, and almost nobody walks up to the desk and claims it. Most of these, staff will never offer you. You have to know the exact words to say. Let's get into it. In the 10th place, travelers routinely pay $6 for something that is sitting completely free just 10 feet away. In almost every major international arrivals hall and select domestic terminals, airport authorities provide complimentary baggage carts. Yet, private concession companies place paid coin slot dispensers in the exact same lobby, often right next to the free corrals. Most travelers pay by pure reflex because they are tired and assume every cart carries a fee. Before sliding your credit card to release a cart, look around the immediate area. In hubs like Dulles or San Francisco, the free arrivals rack is fully accessible if you know to walk past the paywall. It is a simple habit that saves immediate cash, especially for families wrestling with heavy bags. Number 9 on our list. When layovers stretch for hours and gate areas become overwhelmingly loud, you do not have to buy a $50 lounge pass to find peace. Tucked away past security in several major hubs are completely free wellness spaces, silent reflection rooms, and fully equipped yoga studios. San Francisco International Terminal 2 offers a 24-hour yoga room stocked with free mats. Dallas-Fort Worth provides a quiet studio at Gate E31, complete with privacy screens and natural light. You can also find these silent sanctuaries in Miami's Terminal H and Chicago Midway's Concourse C. Airport staff rarely mention them, but checking the terminal map for a reflection room gives you a quiet escape from terminal noise without spending a dime. In 8th place, exhausted parents frequently pay $50 for day-use lounge passes just to find a quiet, private space to feed a baby or pump. But you are likely walking right past a free, high-tech solution. Under federal law, specifically the Friendly Airports for Mothers Act, all medium and large U.S. airports must provide private, secure lactation spaces past security. This has triggered the widespread installation of Mamava nursing pods and dedicated family rooms. These standalone pods are completely free, sanitized, and equipped with comfortable seating and power outlets. You do not need a lounge membership. You just need to search the terminal map or use a companion app to unlock them. Number 7. Traveling with an animal often leads to a stressful scramble outside the terminal, forcing you to exit the secure zone and endure the entire TSA screening line all over again. But you do not have to leave. Federal regulations require all large U.S. hub airports to provide pet relief areas past the security checkpoint. Major hubs like Dallas-Fort Worth, Atlanta, and Los Angeles feature fully equipped indoor relief rooms right inside the concourses. These spaces offer artificial turf, automated sink areas, and waste bags. Instead of heading landside and risking a missed connection, ask the counter agent for the exact location of the indoor pet relief room. It keeps you past security and completely eliminates connection panic. 6th place. When stuck on a long connection, most travelers waste money at terminal restaurants or bar seats. Instead, you can explore accredited museums, guided art walks, and architecture tours inside the terminals for $0. San Francisco International Airport houses an entire fully accredited museum with rotating exhibitions throughout its terminals, while others offer historic aviation galleries. It turns a boring 4-hour connection into an active cultural visit. To claim this, search the terminal map for museums or ask the information desk about free art tours. There is still one to go that's worth more than the other 9 combined, but for now, look up. You might be sprinting past free culture without realizing it. In 5th place, we move from terminal amenities straight to major airline policy secrets. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars to rebook a flight when plans change, you can fly earlier for $0. Most U.S. carriers, including Delta, American, and United, now offer free same-day standby on domestic routes. If a seat opens up on an earlier flight, the airline lets you take it without charging a change fee or fare difference. This is an established policy, not a special favor, though basic economy tickets are typically excluded. To claim this, walk up to the gate agent and say these exact words: "Please add me to standby for any earlier flights to my destination." Number 4. If you are facing a massive terminal with a tight connection, fatigue, or a minor injury, you do not have to struggle. Under the Air Carrier Access Act, airlines must provide free wheelchair or electric cart assistance to your gate. Many travelers assume this service is strictly reserved for those with permanent physical disabilities or that it requires formal medical paperwork. In reality, no doctor's note is ever required, and airline staff cannot legally demand proof of your condition. To secure a ride, simply ask at the check-in desk or your departure gate. Requesting wheelchair or cart assistance early ensures an agent is ready to help, saving your energy and preventing a costly missed flight without any hassle. Coming to the top 3, you can actually clear airport security and walk all the way to the departure gate without ever buying a plane ticket. Most passengers assume the TSA checkpoint is an absolute barrier, but airlines possess a hidden tool called a non-traveler gate pass. If you need to assist an elderly parent, accompany a child flying alone, or want to meet an arriving family member right as they step off the aircraft, you do not have to wait at baggage claim. Simply walk up to the check-in counter and ask the agent if they can issue an escort pass for your specific situation. While subject to TSA clearance and individual carrier policies, these passes are completely free. It is a major stress reliever for families. And remember, there is still one to go that is worth more than the other 9 combined. In second place, airlines frequently hide a direct cashback right behind a wall of travel vouchers. Under the Department of Transportation automatic refund rule, if your flight is canceled or significantly changed, you are owed a full cash refund instead of travel credits. A significant change means a departure or arrival shift of 3 hours or more domestically or 6 hours internationally. This federal protection applies to all ticket types, including non-refundable fares, even if the disruption is caused by severe weather. The catch is that you must actively decline their rebooking offers. If you accept a voucher, you waive your cash. Walk up to the counter and use these exact words: "I decline the rebooking. I request a refund to my original form of payment. Credit card refunds must process within 7 business days." And finally, in first place, the most valuable service on our list can save you hundreds of dollars. When an airline causes a controllable disruption, such as a maintenance issue, crew shortage, or IT failure, major U.S. carriers have committed to providing free rebooking, meal vouchers after a 3-hour wait, and a complimentary hotel room with ground transport. While weather and air traffic control delays are excluded, these airline-caused promises are enforceable. Walk up to the counter and say these exact words: "This is a controllable cancellation. What is your commitment?" You can verify each carrier's specific promises at flightrights.gov. If you choose to cancel your trip instead, you still retain your right to a full cash refund. Screenshot this screen now. Calm, specific wording is what gets results. Comment below on which of these 10 services you have never claimed. Subscribe for more expert travel strategies. Across these 10 secrets, one truth emerges. Calm, specific wording is your ultimate leverage at the counter. Make sure to screenshot that final disruption rule. Which of these services have you never claimed? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more travel secrets.